Are you hearing this?
Yeah, I hear you.
The 6-1 keeps running his mouth about the merchandise. Says it isn't what he signed for.
He's stirring the rest. You want me to settle it?
Wake him. Nobody in the Misfire Mafia questions the product. Not the streets, not the crews, not you. Take it, you move it.
With the product.
Cross the line, man.
Can't come back from that. If you don't respect the family, he ain't part of the family. Tonight, we decide.
Misfire Mafia, loyalty is everything. Website's getting a fresh upgrade. We'll be back up shortly.